Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So, what's the XRP next target? This is very important for everyone. And what's my prediction to upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down? And what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video very important for every XRP hold. Please watch this video and be safe from any more loss. So let's just start this brand video without any time wasters. First of all, if you can see here, this time the crypto market is starting moving up. Congratulations. Tomorrow the crypto market very badly falls down, my friend, but this time you can see here the crypto market starting moving up. So everyone understand to also XRP starting moving up. And if you can see here, the last 24-hour XRP also very badly falls down, but at this time you can see here 0.89% they got up. So congratulations, XRP holder. Come to the point, my friend. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Click the red button. Please subscribe, my friends. Just click out, then I am updating you every time, every coin. Okay, thank you so much for subscription, my friend, my brother. Okay, come to the point. First of all, if you can see here, my friend, this is the last 1 hour result. You can see here in the last 1 hour they also fails down, my friend. You can see here the chart, the chat occur. You can see here minus 1.07% fails down. So very badly fails, my friend. This time you can see here the 1.41 US dollar as the latest price, and I think the price is very badly, very badly, my friends, decrease. And what you say, they can go up exactly after this video. You also understand they go up in upcoming days or they fails down. So let's check out, my friends, the last 7 days result to what's going on in the last 7 days, and then we prediction also on the last 7 days, my friend. If you can see here, this time they completely fails down. You can see here they completely fails down, my friend. They are complete. This is the resistance line. You could sorry, my friend. This time if you could see here, I do a mistake, but this time okay, let's draw a resistance line first of all. Okay, my friend, this time if you can see here, this is a resistance line, and they also after this point, I think this is 18 of fail. You can see here they are very badly fails down, my friend. But you can see here, this is the circulation. After fails they take a jump, but very slow jump, my friend. Very slow jump, my friend. After this jump they also fails down again, and after this fails they're moving up again. But if you can see here, in the last 1 hour result also they fails down. In the last 24-hour also they fails down, minus 21.45 percent. In the last 7 days they fails down, my friend. So very badly reason, and the reason is that to all crypto market is very badly down, my friend. You can see here, this is the circulation. This is the circulation, my friend. This is the circulation, moving up, moving down, and you can see here after some time they very badly fails down, my friend. The highest target, if you could see here, as here, and the lowest target you could see here as here, my friend. So if you can see here, if they're moving at this circulation exactly, my friend, if they're moving at this circulation, I hope in upcoming days they're moving up exactly. What I say that to they go up, my production is that to they're moving up in upcoming days exactly. But I hope that every cryptocurrency is moving at the circulation, and if you can see here, this time is jump time, my friend. And every cryptocurrency at the end of this month, this is my friend a reality to every cryptocurrency is the end of this month going up. So my friend, XRP is moving up in upcoming days. Kindly this time you can see here 1.92 US dollar is the latest price of last 7 days, but you can see here this time the last 1 hour price has come to 1.4 US dollar. So very badly falls down, my friend. You can see here 1.41 US dollar. Our target as 2 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit it, and my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then I think these are a good days to you buy it. So kindly buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire.